Hi, my name is Andrew Mitchell and I am the Director of Bands at Hastings High School. What you see around me are some of our oldest instruments, some dating back to 1972 when Hastings opened, and some have irreparable damage after years of normal use and care. While we have made strides in receiving new instruments over the years, the majority of the instruments used by students are some of these instruments. Even still, we pride ourselves on giving students the best music education possible and opportunities for scholarships post-graduation. Not only do many of our programs prepare students for careers in music education, performance, business, and production, they instill the necessary grit, creativity, productivity, and teamwork that many jobs desire on their teams. I love the band programs here in A-Leaf and believe that our instrumental music programs build a strong appreciation and involvement in the fine arts for generations after high school. Early voting for the bond starts October 18th.